Good morning, children. I am Bulbul Sen Gupta, your maths teacher. So, I am going to begin the maths session, mathematics session. So, I will start with chanting of Gayatri Mantra. So, children, join your hands and then start to chant Gayatri Mantra. ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ. Now children, I will start this session with this beautiful thought. So, today's thought is listen to everyone and learn from everyone because nobody knows everything, but everyone knows something. I repeat, children, listen to everyone and learn from everyone because nobody knows everything, but everyone knows something. So, with this beautiful thought, children, today it's Tuesday. I'm going to start your session. I'm continuing this brain teaser of Unit 2 from question number 5. Now, I'm reading the question. Subtract 93,84,236 from the sum of 3 crore 95 lakh 8,625 and 74 lakh 38,906. So children, firstly we have to find out the sum of 3 crore 95 lakh 8,625 and 74 lakhs 38,906. So let's start to find the sum. 3 crore 95 lakh 8,625. Now I will write 74 lakh 38,906. Now let's find the sum of these two numbers. We will start from extreme. What, children? Yes, extreme right side, the lowest place, that is ones. So 5 plus 6, 11, 1 carry over. 2 plus 1, 3. 9 and 6, 15, 5, 1 carry over. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17. 1 carry over. 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 and 7, 16. 6, 1 carry over. 3 plus 1, 4. So, it is 4 crore 69 lakh 47,531 is the sum of 3 crore 95 lakh 8,625 and 74 lakhs 38,906. Now we have to subtract from what we have to subtract 93 lakh 84,236 from 4 crore 69 lakh 47,531. So we will do the subtraction. 4 crore 69 lakh 47,531 and 93 lakh 84,236. So this 93 lakh 84,236 is subtracted from what, children? This sum, the result of addition, 4 crore 69 lakh 47,531. Now let's start from the ones place. This 1 will become what? 11. After borrowing from this tens, so the 3 will become 2. So 11 minus 6, 5. Now it is not possible to subtract 3 from 2. So I will again borrow 10 from 5. So it will become 4 and 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 3, 9. Now 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 4, 3. Now 4 minus 8. It is not possible to subtract. So 4 will become 14 after borrowing 1/10 from 9. So 9 will become 8. So 14 minus 8, 6. 8 minus 3, 5. 6 minus 9. Again, we have to borrow from this 4 crore. So 4 crore will reduce to 3 crore, and this 10 lakh, that is 60 lakh, will become 10 lakh will become 16 10 lakhs. So 16 minus 9 is 7 and 3. So the answer is 3 crore 75 lakh 63,295. In this way you can do this, solve this question number 5. Now let's come to question number 6. Let's read the question. The total number of men, women and children in a state is 93,86,493. This is the total population. So this is the punchline, total population. If the number of men is 26,38,755 and that of women is 25,29,431. So find out the number of children. So firstly, children, total number of population is what? The number of men, women and children. The total number of population of the in a state is equals what? 93,86,493. Now what is the number of men? Number of men in the state is 26,38,755. Now number of women is, children, number of women equals 25,29,431. Okay, children. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out total number of children. So we will have to add the number of men plus number of women. So let's add it. 26,38,755 is added with 25,29,431. Let's add. We start from ones place. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 3, 8. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 carry over. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 9, 18. 1 carry over. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 carry over. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5. So this is the total number of men and women. 51,68,186. So what is the total number of children? Total number of children are, we subtract the number of men and women from the total number of men, women and children in a state. So total number of men, women and children total number is 93,86,493, and number of men plus women children 51,68,186. So we do subtraction. Now let's start from this extreme right side. So 3 will become 13 and 9 will reduce to 8. 13 minus 6, 7. Now 8 minus 8, 0. 4 minus 1, 3. Again 6. 6 will become 16 after borrowing from 8. 8 will reduce to 7. 16 minus 8, 8. 7 minus 6, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. So total number of children in the state is 42,18,307. So this is the answer. Now come to question number 7. A dealer purchased 285 washing machines. Children, I think you are also having washing machines in order to wash your clothes. Nowadays people are using the washing machines in order to wash their clothes. If the cost of one washing machine is 9,825, find the cost of purchased washing machine. So how many number of washing machine purchased? 285. So number of machines purchased, how many? It is 285, and cost of one machine is 9,825. The cost of one washing machine is how much? Rupees 9,825. So the total cost of the purchased washing machines is equals how much? Rupees 9,825 is multiplied by, children, number of washing machine. So let's do the multiplication. 9825 is multiplied by 285. Let's start from the 5 ones. 9,825 will be first multiplied by 5 ones. So 5 5 is 25, 2 carry over, 5 2 is 10 plus 2, 12, 1 carry over, 5 8 is 40 plus 1, 41, 4 carry over, 5 9 is 45 plus 4, 49. Now come to 8 tenths. 8 tenths is having 1 0, so I put the 1 0 in the towards the right side of the product. Now let's start the multiplication of 8. 8 5 is 40, 0, 4 carry over, it was 16 plus 4, 20, 2 carry over, 8 it is 64 plus 2, 66, 6 carry over, 8 9 is 72 plus 6, 78. Now come to multiplication by 200. So 200 is having 2 0. So I'll put 2 0 on the right side of the product. Now let's start the product. 2 5 is 10, 0, 1 carry over, 2 2 is 4, 1 5. 2 8 is 16, 6, 1 carry over, 2 9 is 18, 1, 19. Now let's add it. We start from the ones. 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 0 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. Now come here. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. 0, 2 carry over. So 8 plus 2, 10. 10 and 4, 14 plus 6, 20. 0, 2 carry over. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 8, 1 carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. So the answer is 28,125,000 rupees. This is the cost of 285 washing machines. Now come to question number 8. Find the product of the greatest 5-digit and 3-digit numbers. Find the product of the greatest 5-digit and 3-digit numbers. Now let's start, children. Start to solve. What is the greatest 5-digit number, children? Children, please tell me. What is the greatest 5-digit number? Pin drop silence is there. Okay, I am telling you. 99,999. Now children, the greatest 3-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number. Tell me, what is greatest 3-digit number? 999. Now you have to, according to the question, children, find the product. Product means multiplication. So we have to multiply 99,999 with 999. Okay. Now let's start the multiplication with the help of 9 ones. Okay. Start from 9 ones. 9 will be multiplied with 99,999. So let's start. 9 ones are 81, 1 carry over 8. 9 ones are 81 plus 8, 89. 8 carry over. 9 ones are 81 plus 8, 89. 8 carry over. 9 ones are 81 plus 8, 89. 8 carry over. 9 ones are 81 plus 8, 89. Now come to 9 tenths. It means 1 0 is having. So I'll put 0 in the to the right side of the product. So 9 ones are 9 nines are 81, 1. 8 carry over. Again same. 9 nines are 81 plus 8, 89. 8 carry over. 9 nines are 81 plus 8, 89. 8 carry over. 9 nines are 81 plus 8, 89. 8 carry over. 9 nines are 81 plus 8, 89. Now come to 900. It is having 2 0. So I'll put 2 zeros. Same 2 zeros, then 1, 9, 9, 9, 9, 8. So same numbers are repeated. Now let's add. Start from the ones place. 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. 9 plus 1 plus 0, 10. 1 carry over. 9 plus 10, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 9, 19 plus 1, 20. 0, 2 carry over. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 9, 27 plus 2, 29. 2 carry over. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 9, 27 plus 2, 29. 2 carry over. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 2, 20 plus 8, 28. 2 carry over. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 9, 19. 1 carry over. 8 plus 1, 9. So the answer is 9,98,99,001. This is the answer. Now come to question number 9. An engine pumps 2,85,000 liters of water in 5 hours. An engine pumps 2,85,000 liters of water in 5 hours. How many liters of water will the engine pump in 1 minute? So here children, all of you see, this is hour and this question is asked in minute. But we have to convert it either minute into hour or hour into minute. So it is convenient to convert hour into minute. So children, all of you know 1 hour equals how many minutes? 60 minutes. Correct? So 5 hours is equals how many minutes? 60 into 5. That is 300 minutes. Now come to the question. Quantity of water pumped in 5 hours is how much? 2,85,000 liter, right? That is in 300 minutes. It pumps 2,85,000 liters. So quantity, what is the question? How many liters of water will the engine pump in 1 minute? So quantity of water pumped in 1 minute is what? So we have to divide 2,85,000 is divided by 300 minutes. Okay children? Now let's do the division. We put the division sign. 285,000. 2,85,000 liter. 2,85,000 liter will be divided by 300 hours. So let's start. 300 is having 3 digit. I'll start from left to right 3 digit, but 285 is less than 300, so I'll take another 4 digit. Now start the table of 300. 300 nines are 2700. We subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 0, 5, 8 minus 7, 1, 2 minus 2, 0. Now we put down this 0. So 300 fives are 1500. So we do subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Now this 0 is left. So we will 300 is multiplied by 0. So 300 multiplied by 0 is 0. Subtract 0. So how many liters of water is pumped in 1 minute? 950 liters of water pumped out in 1 minute. Okay children? So here in the question, how many liters of water will be the engine pump in 1 minute? So in 1 minute, the engine will pump 950 liters of water. Now come to next question number 10. Find the value of 5,43,86,291 plus 1,09,853 minus 96,298. Now children, there is a formula of solving this mixed operation is BODMAS. Here BO is not in your syllabus. Since D is division, M is for multiplication, A is for addition, and then subtraction. So we follow this serial in order to solve the multiple operation. So here addition and subtraction is given. So let's, according to this board mass, we will solve first this addition. Okay, now we will start 5 crore 43 lakh 86,291 is added with 1 lakh 9,853. Firstly, which operation we will do, children? Addition. 3 plus 1, 4. 9 plus 5, 14. 4, 1 carry over. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 carry over. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 6, 16. 1 carry over. 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. Now 4 and 5. So, this is the sum. Now, move forward. The result, this result will be subtracted with 96,298. So this 5 crore 44 lakh 96,144 will be subtracted with 96,298. Then we do subtraction. Subtraction will be done, is the last operation that we will do when we are going to simplify. So 4 minus 8 not possible. 4 will become 14 after borrowing from 10's place. So it will become 14 and 4 will reduce with 3. This 4. 14 minus 8, 6. Now 3 minus 9 not possible. So 3 will become 13 after borrowing from this hundreds place. It will become 1 will reduce to 0. So 13 minus 9, 4. Now 0 minus 2, not possible. Again I will borrow from this 6,000. It will become, I will borrow 1,000 from 6,000. So 6,000 will reduce to 5 and this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 2, 8. Now 5 minus 6, not possible. Then again I will borrow 10,000 from this 9. So 9 will reduce to 8, 10,000 and 5,000 will become 15,000. Now 15 minus 9, 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Now come to 8 minus 9. Again 8 will become 18 after borrowing from 4 lakh. So 4 will reduce to 3. 18 minus 9 is 9. Now 3 will here below 3 it is empty. So 3 minus 0 is 3. Again 4 minus 0 is 4. 5 minus 0 is 5. So the answer is 5 crore 43 lakh 99,846. This is the solution. In this way, children, you have to do all these sums as a classwork and homework. Hope, children, you have enjoyed my class. So you must do as a classwork. You have to do from question number 5, 6 and 7, and in homework 8, 9, 10. Bye bye, children. Have a nice day.